All units, 277 is 10100, eastbound 22nd past 8 after O'Neill Road.
Roy, that's over at that silver manufacturing place on 8th and 24th.
Eastbound 22nd approaching 5th.
We are now northbound on 5th Avenue. Northbound on 5th Avenue.
277's northbound on 5th Avenue.
We're way out of pocket, John. We're way out of pocket. Mary Frank 390. One boy, Mary Frank 390. He's staying on him. We'll get up there.
277, what kind of vehicle?
We're westbound on 24th. Approaching 8th Avenue, approaching 9th Avenue. We're at 8th Avenue now, approaching 9th Avenue. He's sitting at the silver making plant. I don't know where that is.
Approaching 9th
You don't?
Avenue.
Oh. We're going to get up in the air here and we're heading toward the still on 23rd Street, 24th Street, still on westbound 24th, westbound 24th. Westbound 24th.
277, we've got your PD on the phone also.
If you would notify also the Bessemer PD. Westbound 24th.
277, it is a stolen vehicle report.
Oh, shit.
It is a
Are
stolen
you ready? Okay, John? We're approaching 18th Avenue. We're taking a left. We're 19th Street. We're way out of plan for 19th Street on 18th Avenue. 19th Street, you know where that's at, right?
On 18th Avenue, headed toward 19th Street in the pipe shop area.
On 18th Avenue, heading toward 19th Street. 127, no command post, we're 10-8.
10-4, are you copying that?
I see, okay. I see a unit. If it's a marked unit, I'll be on the phone. Still on 18th Avenue, just past 19th, heading toward 18th and 17th. We're in the pop shop right now. We're still southbound on 18th Avenue.
All units, he's in the pipe shop area at this time, still southbound 18th Avenue.
Okay, I'm going to come in on County 36, which is John's Road, but I'm going to be west of the pipe shop coming in that way.
277,
I got him.
I've got D140 west of you coming in from John's Road.
I got him, Roy. Air 2's on the scene. Air 2's on the scene.
10-4, Air 2.
We got somebody on 19th Street. Stay there on 19th Street. He's at 7th Avenue.
Anybody's close to 17th and 19th Street. Stay in.
Y'all, hold up. He's coming back out. He's coming back out, y'all. Hold up. That trooper unit. Hold up right there. He's coming back out. Already went on across. A little higher, Roy, with the trees.
19th Avenue and 18th Way.
I got him.
Direct this trooper unit right here, Dad. He's on the main drag, right with this guy.
And to all units, we're coming back out on 15th. We're coming back out towards 15th, but I think he's got to make one more left.
Air 2, you're saying 15th.
10-4, stand by though. He hasn't turned that way. He's going back now, going back eastbound.
Pass him.
What? I got him on
20th
clear, Roy.
Avenue and 16th.
19th Avenue and 16th. 18th Avenue. He's wrecking.
18th
There he
Avenue
is.
and 16th Street.
Stay over him, Roy. Don't let me lose him. Good, I got him. That's good. He's not coming out. Did he hit that car? Don't worry about that. He wrecked it. You got it, John? I got it, Roy. He's wrecked up here. He's 1050, Mobile Command. He's 1050. They're fixing to get him in custody. Stand by.
10-4, all units, he's 1050. They're trying to get him in custody.
clapping for you over here, Dad.
How many officers can you get on one stolen pickup?
The lieutenant wrecked his car. He wrecked his car. Did you get on the floor when he hit him?
No, I was on the car the whole time. Did he hit that car?
He hit the... No, the lieutenant ran into the truck.
Yeah, I got that. I got it all.
Good.
Once we came up on him, I got everything. I never lost him.
Just get on with this. Just keep wearing. Don't stop.
Subject in custody.
They have already...
Gas central.
He is secure.